Hi guys, my name is Maureen. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be talking about things you should do before, during your period and after your period. First one is, before your period, I'll advise you wash your bathroom, you wash your beddings, you wash your towels, you wash your area, like you keep your area clean. Not only during your period, right? You're not meant to keep your area clean, your environment clean during your period alone, but because you might be battling with cramps and that stage is a totally different stage for some people, right? So you want your area to be clean so that the only thing you have to worry about is your menses. Wash your clothes. Like, I don't know if I'm the only one that feel at ease when I do my laundry. There's just this fulfillment that comes with it. Please let me know if I'm the only one that experience this. Let me know that in the comment section. Wash your clothes, make sure your areas are cleaned. And another thing is, work ahead. If you have a set scheduled program, for instance, if you're a content creator and you know during your menstruation you don't always have it, do you understand? Maybe you're someone that battles with cramps, you're someone that battles with your emotion. I know many people battle with their emotion, but if you're a content creator and you know during your messages you can't just sit down and film, you can do it ahead of time, right? If you have any program that you can fast forward to do before your period, you can also do that, so that the only thing you'll be worried about is your period. It's not that you're battling with cramps and you're also thinking about another thing. You would be able to rest. Wash your toilets, make it extra clean so as to get rid of any germs that can be around and can cause infection when you are on your period. The second one is, that number one was a lot. Check your diet. As someone who experiences cramps, I would like you to check your diet days before your period. What you eat. What you eat during your period is not the only thing that contributes to cramps. What you eat before your period most time contributes to cramps, because that's what your body is going to build on. So you have to get rid of foods like cheese, milk, sweet food, refined sugar like Coke and all these drinks, right? Get rid of it some days to your period so it can lessen the cramps. It might not get rid of it completely, but at least it's going to lessen it to an enjoyable point. The next one is exercise. You can exercise your body before then. Your body will be prepared for it. Your body will be stretched to a particular point before your period. Yeah, get your pads ready. Get your pads ready. I don't think at this stage, at this age, you still should be looking forward to get pads because your period is here. I don't think that's
70 years old.
Do you understand? Because you know you are going to see this every month, or else you are going to be pregnant, right? Even if you are going to be pregnant, you still have to have this at home. And I believe when you finish messages for this month, there's no, you're not going to go to the market, the mall, in the space of this month to you seeing it next month. You can just get it. Aside that, it's part of lady care, like ladies care. Do you understand? You can get it. Just let's be at home. Your friend might come, your sister might come, they might need it someday. So get your parts ready, so when you see your period you won't be running eta skater and skater eta. If you use period pants and period best spread, yes, get them ready. There are some best spread that they are so precious to us that we don't want them to get stained. Yeah. Please, if you are someone like that you don't want, you have a precious breast spread that you don't want to get stained, let me know that in the comment section. And if you watch up to this point and you are yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so get your pants ready. Some people, after their lessons for this month, they wash their panties, iron them and pack them, like they pack them off till the next month, right? And I think that's very good. So make sure you get them ready, make sure you get your beddings ready, make sure everything you need during that time that is not the normal one you use on a normal day, make sure you get them ready. Medication. If you're someone who experiences serious cramps and medication is the solution to it, not water or anything. Get them ready. Like, you know that there's no how you're going to use this thing. Get them ready. Make sure you have it at hand. I seriously won't support medications, right? Because it will get to a state that it won't work for you again. And aside that, it will get to a state that it's going to expose you to a lot of health problems. Every drug has their own side effects, right? So I won't advise this, but I know the extent at which cramps deal with some people. So if you use medication, don't let it get to the point where you can't walk, you can't stand, you can't feel yourself. Once you know you're going to take this, make sure it is ready so that when the cramps comes, you're going to attack it with it. Okay, the last one is shave. Yeah, I mentioned shaving in my last video where I talked about things you should not do. You should shave, right? But you shouldn't shave when you are going to see your period tomorrow, when you are going to see snake tomorrow. Yes, you can shave a week ahead or like 5 days ahead. There will be no, if there's even any wound or any opening, it will have closed up before your menses, right? So shave so blood will not be hiding. Sometimes clotted blood comes out and it gets tangled with the air, and you might not even notice. When they stay there for a particular time and microorganisms tend to breed on it, it can cause infection. So I'll advise you to shave 5 to 7 days before your period. The next point I'm going to move to is what you should do during your period, like when Miss Flow is around. First thing is get warm water ready in your bottle. This is also to lessen cramps. If you experience cramps, you can just place the warm water at the lower part of your abdomen. That is where the uterus is located, right? So it can help to still lessen the cramps by helping to dissolve some clotted blood that are finding it difficult to leave the uterus to the vagina, because that's one of the things that cause cramps. Aside from the uterus constricting, that's also part of what causes cramps. You notice you might have this crazy cramps, and when that thing comes out, you just feel at ease. Sometimes it even looks like urine. You just feel at ease. Do you understand? So you can get warm water ready. Also keep yourself warm and sleep well. If you're not sleeping well when you're not on your period, you even notice you're not active. Do you understand? You can't cheat nature. You notice you're not active. Not to talk of when you're on your period, like your body is busy. Shower twice daily. No negotiation. Like, don't negotiate it. Shower twice daily. Even if the first, I don't think you should shower in the afternoon, and since morning you've not showered though, and you're on your period, you've not showered since morning. I'll shower by 5 p.m. Do you understand? Even if you shower by 5 p.m, sis, you still have to shower when you want to sleep, because your body is busy at that point in time. Like, your body is doing a lot of work, so you have to shower and make your body, make it to be relaxed, make it cool down. Do you understand? If you are your body, you will do more. So make sure you are calm, make sure your body is, if you shower at night, there's this, oh my god. Next point is use antiseptic when you want to shower. Now, if you use antiseptic soaps like Dettol, Septol, Premier Cool, the methylated one is Premier Cool, it's okay, it's fine. But if you use ordinary soaps, like, I'll advise you to add antiseptic solution, little antiseptic solution. And this is because when you're having your bath, blood is rushing down, blood is coming down, and blood is a medium of transmission. It is just to help to get rid of any infection that might want to get into your body through the pores of your skin, or maybe hide somewhere. Do you understand? It's just to get rid of that. And avoid cold drinks. Yes, you'll be thirsty during your period. That's it. There's always high level of dehydration when you're on your period, but please, if you are not going to drink normal room temperature water, just get warm water. Try to do away with cold drinks. We're trying to get rid of clotted blood from the body. Now you taking cold drinks will help those blood to clot them more. Do you understand? We want to get rid of that. That's why I advise warm water the other time. So avoid cold drinks and wash your pants as soon as possible. I used to tell you, if you use blank panties for your period, aside the fact that you don't want to see the color of the blood, it's because they are dirty. I don't want to see that there's still blood stain on that panties.
Your matter the fridge.
I got you. I see no reason why you should pile your panties. And aside panting your panties, I sincerely see no reason why you should pile your menstruation panties, your period panties. What's that? That's disgusting, man. Okay. Joke apart. I want to first knock anyone that does this. Like keeping your pants, like your ordinary pants, piling it up to wash during the weekend, or you select a day to wash them, is a bad idea. Now let's talk about period pants. Blood is there. Microorganism is in that blood. Now you now leave it. It's disgusting. Aside from the fact that is threatening your health, is disgusting. Let's just leave it at that. It is disgusting. Please, if you are still not subscribed to this channel, you're wrong. Okay, during your period, do not wear full armor down there. That place needs to breathe, but because of the condition now, you have to wear your pad and you have to put on your pants. When you are at home, please just make it to be your pants, your pad, and a free shorts. Yeah, a free short, so that at least little ventilation can come in. It's not that you are wearing tight panties, fitted panties, because you don't want them to be shifting, and now you're still not wearing bomb shorts, tight bomb shorts. Auntie, easy, oh, baby, easy. Please make sure you wear a loose shorts or no shorts. Okay. If you notice any changes in the blood, the color, the odor, make sure you see your healthcare provider. It can be as a result of infection, or maybe something might be going on down there. Okay, don't go to the chemist. See your healthcare provider. Still do away with dairy products like cheese, milk, fried stuffs, oily foods. This is because oily foods make you feel bloated, and that is what you don't want during your period, right? Because when you're bloated, you start feeling uncomfortable. Avoid dairy products. Milk can cause diarrhea when you're on your period. All these foods can cause cramps, and also salty food can make you to be bloated. And when dealing with menstrual, bloating is another thing that should not even come up. Exercise your body if you can. If you can perform little exercise, please do. If you can perform little exercise, I would recommend that, so as when you perform exercise, your body is warm. That place becomes a warm environment for the blood, and it will make it easy for the blood to come out. Another one is drink water. Drink water. The level of dehydration when you're on your period is high, and water is something to sustain it, right? Drink room temperature water, or you take warm water, no cold water, right? So the last point is what you should do after your period. Anti-flow is gone and you are now okay. So what should you do after your period? To get you safe before your next period, to get you free from infection, and girly before your next period. First one is dispose pad the way you choose. There are various type of ways you can dispose your pad. There are seriously, I don't want to be rude, but there are stupid ways you can do this. There are sensible ways you can do this. You can decide to flush the pad. Remember, I told you in my last video that you should not flush a whole soaked pad because of the nylon that is in it. You can remove it, pour the wool into the toilet and flush it. That is still okay. Then you wash the outer pad and you leave it to dry, and you burn it. I saw something on Instagram when somebody commented that I don't burn my pads, I don't flush them, I just pray on them and I throw them into the bush. Who told you Satan does not know how to pray? Who told you witches and wizards do not know how to pray? Seriously, this is the foolish way of disposing pad, because you know that this thing is it's something that is very, very delicate and you should take a proper care of it. Now you telling me you pray on it and you dispose it is
very stupid and very foolish.
It is well with you in Jesus' name. God will forgive you your sins and trespasses, but this is not a good way to dispose pad. If you can burn it completely, yes, you should. Okay, some people choose burying. Why I don't like burying pad is because what if the land wants to be used and they just bring it out from that land? Everywhere is developing now. You don't know where nests will be developed, and this rule just when they opposite, they'll just trade anywhere they want, and this thing can be okay, maybe because I'm a Nigerian and I'm an African, maybe that's why I'm thinking this way, but I'm sure people out there can relate, right? Please, if you have advice pertaining to this, or you have another thought pertaining to this, let me know that in the comment section. Yeah, so dispose the pad the way you choose, but make sure you choose the right way. Okay, don't let that way you are choosing be the way of destruction. Yeah, clean everything you used for your period, your towels, your beddings, your undies, everything you use during your period. Clean it up, pack it for the next month. Okay, that's if you're not pregnant for the next month. So pack it and keep them safe. Okay, the next one is wash your toilet again. Yeah, this is because when you're having your bath, these things can be tricky. It could even be that maybe when you were having your bath, the blood splashed somewhere that you did not notice. Okay, and you are too tired, you are too weak to just be looking around and washing during your period. You can just wait till you finish your period and wash it again, provided with antiseptic solution, so as to get rid of any germs that can be hiding in small corners. Okay, the last one is treat infection if they occur. So there are various types of infection that you can experience during your period, and some are not really serious infections. Some can be as a result of it. That place is not ventilated, your pad, your pants. Do you understand? That's why I advise you don't put all full armor when you're on your period, so as give the place ventilation a bit. So when you're on your period and you're done with your period, make sure you treat any infection if they occur. If it is rashes too, everything needs treatment, so make sure you treat them if they occur. That's all about this video. If you've gotten up to this point and you've not subscribed, you're cheating on me. Please like this video. Let me know in the comment section. Share this video with your family and friends. Follow me on all my social media accounts. The links are in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. If you're here to watch the first video about tips for menstrual hygiene, I'm going to leave the link right here, and I'm going to leave it in the description box. Make sure you watch it. Get in touch with all my previous videos. I'm sure you're going to love them. And let me know the next video you want to see. I'm here for you. I'm here for your health. Okay, see you in my next one. Bye.